Well, the holidays are among us and coming soon, and maybe it's time to declutter the home. If it is, let me give you some tips. I'll be back in just a moment. Hi, I'm Errol Warts with Landmark Realty, and I'd like to tell you about maybe how you might want to declutter before the holidays begin. First of all, let's talk about holiday decor. As you're decorating your house for the holidays, quickly sort through your Christmas and holiday decor. Get rid of anything you don't love, don't put out, or don't use. Also, after you're done decorating, keep a watchful eye out for any holiday decorations that you aren't loving. If there's something that doesn't make you happy when you look at it, makes you feel frustrated, or you just don't like the extra work it adds to your home and life, well, let's get rid of it. Aim to keep only the holiday decor items that you love or use regularly. If you don't use or love it, you have no obligation to keep it. The next thing is, well, you're going to be doing some baking and cooking over the holiday time, and maybe it's time to simplify your kitchen. And how will you do that? Well, there are a number of ways. First of all, there are two key areas to tackle in your kitchen when you declutter before the holidays. First, work on cleaning the flat surfaces in your kitchen, the countertops, dining table. Not only will your kitchen look better with less visual clutter, but clear counters and surfaces will make cooking, baking, serving, and hosting and cleaning up so much easier. Second, clean out and declutter your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Get rid of anything that's expired or gone bad. Donate anything that's still good, but you won't use, to the food bank, so someone who needs it can use it. After you're done decluttering, give everything a quick wipe, then organize your pantry, fridge, and freezer quickly so you can find what you need easily and know what you have on hand. The next thing is looking at toys, decluttering the toys if you have kids. This is a good time to get the kids involved in this situation. Start decluttering those toys. Knowing your kids will likely be getting new toys as gifts, it's easier to be more ruthless as you declutter before the holidays. Make space now so you and your kids won't end up feeling overwhelmed with new toys after the holidays. This is a great time to get rid of toys that are unloved or aren't being played with anymore, or are broken, missing pieces, or your kids they've certainly outgrown them. And always find an idea of making room for new toys coming in as the gift's way to motivate your kids to help declutter their toys. You'll be wrapping gifts for Christmas, I'm sure, and maybe you have some outdated gift wrapping supplies. Well, it's time to declutter the gift wrapping supplies and get rid of anything that, it's seen its better days. Then, before you buy any new gift wrap or supplies, sort through and take stock of what you already have. Then decide what you need and only buy what you're actually going to use. Gifts or guests, you'll have guests coming in over the holidays. Family will probably come in for holiday dinner, and maybe it's time to check out the linens, your guest linens. Because many of us will host our families over the holidays, it's a great time to declutter your guest linen, such as towels and bedding. Look through your guest towels and bedding. Decide what you actually use and need regularly for hosting guests. Then get rid of any towels and bedding you never use or need, as well as anything that is worn out. And once you've decluttered your guest linens, it's also great to take time to wash or air out any items you'll be using so they are fresh and ready for your holiday guests. And this is also a good time for decluttering clothing, not only for yourself, but also for the rest of your family. Decluttering clothing. Kids may be getting new clothing over the holidays as gifts, so make room for those new items by doing a quick declutter before the holidays. Get rid of anything outgrown or worn out. This is also a great opportunity to make a note of what your kids need if family or friends are asking for gift suggestions. This is also a great time to tackle decluttering your own clothes. Take a quick look through your everyday clothes and see if there is anything you are ready to let go of. And it's a great time to declutter for the holiday and give those clothing items that you don't need to someone that could use them. You know, you could take them down to the thrift shop here in Hayes, and they can certainly use them for people that come in and need things. The next thing is seasonal clothing. It's time to declutter seasonal clothing. You know, it's great. We use coats, mittens, hats, boots, and it's maybe you need to get rid of anything you and your family no longer use, need, or love, along with anything that's worn out or outgrown. You know, not only can you donate your excess to someone who would truly use and need it during the colder months, but simplifying your entry also makes hosting easier over the holidays. And finally, let's declutter the whole house. Let's just get an old clothes basket and walk through the house, do a quick decluttering sweep around the whole house. Use the whole family to help with this. This is one of the favorite ways to kickstart decluttering in general, but it's also really a great way to simplify your house before the holidays. It's easy. It is. Just grab a box or a laundry basket and quickly walk around each area of your house looking for anything you no longer use, need, or love. This is also a great time to get rid of any decor items you don't use or love, especially when you have additional holiday decor out as well. Well, I hope these tips were helpful for you, and if you liked them, please click the thumbs up button in the lower left-hand corner, and of course invite you to subscribe to our channel. And if you're thinking of buying or selling in the upcoming year, I'd be glad to sit down and talk with you and consult with you. You can give me a call at Worth's at Landmark Realty, 785-623-1634. And I'll have more information for you next week. Thanks for watching.